Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you the fog lamp installation and the DRL's installation. And one more thing, we got and I got this product only for 4,800 rupees, but when you go into the website like Hardcore Shop and other websites, the value of this product is 6,000 or 5,500 rupees, but I got it only for 4,800 rupees. But how? I'm going to tell you that story also, and the complete installation process and the wiring. And I checked so many videos in YouTube, but nobody is showing where the switches of this fog light and how DRLs works without the wire cut, right? So I'm going to clear all these doubts and show you everything and complete details. So keep watching this video and definitely subscribe this channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Come, let's start it. Installation is already started and the technician is working. I'm in Bangalore Keyarpuram Smart Car Decor Shop, and everything is removed already, and fog lamps are fitting with the screws, and DRLs is not required any kind of screws. It just plug and play, connect the wire and push it, that's it, and it fit perfectly. When it comes to wiring inside of the cabin, you can see here everything is going on, and it will be placed below the glove box, and it is not visible at all. Switch of the fog lamp is installed under the steering, and this is not the switch which is come with the box, but this is a different switch with a good quality. So this is very easy to accessible. You can see on and off is here, and whenever we need it, we need to switch on the fog lamps, and you can install wherever you want if you have easy to access in these places, or you can install wherever you want on these places. Okay, as I told earlier, we got it this product only for 4,800 rupees. How? See, we gather all Nexon members, and we requested hardcore shop with our requirements, and we did a bulk order. So because of that, we got it for 4,800 rupees all these items, and you can do all the same thing with your respective states. So the wiring is taken from the bonnet is from here. You can see it's directly going inside of the cabin here, and the remaining cables are inside of here. You can see there, and you can see here this is the one where is connected for indicator, and there is no white cut, everything is clamped, and you can see the same thing here. So everything is properly fitted, so no wires are coming out. This is the indicator connection, and when it comes to DRL, this need to be connected for ignition, otherwise it will not work. So when you open the switch kit, you can see here the switch number 20. So you need to give that DRL's direct connection to this switch box, and no need to cut any wires in these cases. Okay, and the complete wire is gone inside of this from here to here. You can see the wire is gone from here. And the grounding is given here. This is the grounding wire, one for the fog light and one for the DRS. Both the groundings are done here. so no wire cuts, nothing worry about the warranty, and everything is looks perfect. This is how it looks, the DRLs, and this is like not completely flat. This is like 1/2 inch is pop out from the surface, and the quality of the chrome ring and this everything is good, and it's a waterproof. Water will not go inside of it, and it need to be fixed properly.